dear friends. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well. This is Sheikh Wasima Jeba before you. I am really privileged to deliver my speech before you. Truly speaking, I am not a good speaker. Please pardon me for my shortcoming. Anyways, I will try my best to say something on my selected topic. Now I will introduce myself. My name is Sheikh Wasima Jeba. I live in Mohammadpur, Dhaka. I am a student. I read in class 7 at Mohammadpur Residential School and College. My favorite subject is English. My favorite food is noodles. My favorite fruit is mangoes. My favorite person is my mother. In my free time, I also enjoy reciting Holy Quran. I like honesty but dislike backbiting or cheating. There are 4 members in my family. My father name is Sheikh Shahid Opu. He's a businessman. My mother name is Sheikh Nasri Rahman. She's a homemaker. I am a student and my brother is also a student. Inshallah, I would like to be an ideal doctor. Well, dear friends, I would like to finish here today. Thank you very much. See all of you again in another day. Allah Hafiz.